Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well, guys. So in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look, guys. This oxidized jewelry suits with this outfit, guys, and I just love this look. And if you are new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe my channel, guys. It's mean a lot. And guys, don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video you get notification, guys. And guys, also you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is this. So guys, let's get started this video. Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to create a summer appropriate look, guys. So guys, first I'm going to start off with this serum, guys. This is the Garnier vitamin C serum, guys. And so guys, vitamin C serum helps to reduce your darkness and also brighten up your face, and also it prevents your skin from sunburn and provide the extra hydration which we need in summer. Guys, I'm going to use a moisturizer. For that I'm going to use this biotic coconut cream, guys. I'm going to apply a generous amount on my face. So guys, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर स्किन आपको एक मॉइस्चराइजर को पिक करना होता है. अगर आपकी स्किन ऑयली स्किन है तो आपको एक जेल कंसिस्टेंसी या रनी कंसिस्टेंसी मॉइस्चराइजर को पिक करना है समर के लिए. एंड गाइज, अगर आपकी स्किन कॉम्बिनेशन या ड्राई स्किन है तो आप एक थिक कंसिस्टेंसी मॉइस्चराइजर को भी यूज़ में ले सकते हैं. एंड गाइज, यहाँ पर मैंने अपनी स्किन को अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज करने के बाद नेक्स्ट गाइज फॉर द सन प्रोटेक्शन यहाँ पर मैं यूज़ में ले रही हूँ न्यूट्रोजेना की सनस्क्रीन, गाइज. एंड यहाँ पर मैं इसे अप्लाई करूँगी 3 फिंगर जितना रिक्वायरमेंट रहता है हमें सनस्क्रीन का, तो इसे हम इस तरह से अप्लाई करेंगे. एंड गाइज, ऑलवेज नेक पे भी क्रीम, मॉइस्चराइजर एंड सनस्क्रीन को अप्लाई करना है. सो नेक्स्ट फॉर द लिप बाम, यहाँ पर मैं निविया का लिप बाम यूज़ में ले रही हूँ एंड इससे अपने लिप्स को प्रैप कर लूँगी. सो गाइज, फर्स्ट हम आज आई मेकअप से स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो फर्स्ट मैं अपनी आईब्रोज को फिल करूँगी. सो गाइज, हियर आई एम यूजिंग दिस आईब्रो पेंसिल. दिस इज द मिस क्लियर आईब्रो पेंसिल, गाइज, एंड दिस इज इन द शेड 03 मीडियम ब्राउन. सो गाइज, मेरी आईब्रोज को मोर फुलर लुक देने के लिए यहाँ पर मैं यूज़ में ले रही हूँ दिस डार्क ग्रे शेड. एंड गाइज, इसे मैं सेंटर ऑफ माई आईब्रो अप्लाई करूँगी. एंड काफ़ी हल्का सा लेना है, डस्ट ऑफ द एक्सेस, एंड इसे धीरे धीरे अप्लाई करना है. एज यू कैन सी आई हैव डन माई आईब्रोज. नेक्स्ट इज फॉर आई मेकअप. फर्स्ट हम बेस को प्रिपेयर करेंगे. बेस के लिए यहाँ पे मैं यूज़ में ले रही हूँ मेबलिन का एज डिवाइन कंसीलर, गाइज. दिस इज इन द शेड फेयर. एंड गाइज, इसे हम यूज़ में लेंगे. सो गाइज, यहाँ पर मैं लाइट शेड कंसीलर इसलिए यूज़ में ले रही हूँ ताकि मेरे सारे कलर काफ़ी अच्छे से पॉप अप हो और काफ़ी ब्राइट दिखे. So guys, using a beauty blender I'm going to blend this. So guys, next I'm going to start off with this palette, guys. This is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, guys. So first, for setting my base, I'm going to eyelid. For setting my eyelid, I'm going to use this light shade, guys, and I'm just set my all over eyelid. So guys, for sharp look here I'm using a cello tape. And guys, मैंने अपने दोनों साइड इसे अप्लाई किया है. Guys, स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का आई लुक. So first guys, I'm going to pick the shade, this rusty orange shade, guys.
So guys, first I'm just deposit this color in my outer corner.
Next guys, guys, after applying this color, next I'm going to pick this shade. So guys, here I'm using this small brush and I'm going to place this color here. So next guys, I'm going to draw a cut crease. For that I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty liquid concealer guys. So this is in the shade 02 Sand. So guys, for the cut crease, here I'm applying this color and using this brush guys. This is the Swiss Beauty brush, concealer brush. Next guys, for blending the edges of my cut crease, I'm going to use this dark pink shade and I'm going to blend this. So guys, for primer, here I'm using this Blue Heaven primer guys, and I'm going to apply this, and it is a silicone based primer guys. So it will minimize your pores and fill your pores. So first I'm just applying in my T-zone and chin area. Next guys, for the foundation, here I'm using this Inside ultra thin foundation guys, and this is in the shade Warm Nude 04. So guys, talking about this concealer, this is in the orange undertone and it is very liquidy, so it is lightweight concealer and it provides you very medium to sheer coverage. And also guys, summer appropriate foundation hai, so you can definitely try this one. So guys, here I'm using this Swiss Beauty Kabuki brush and going to blend this. So guys, first I'm just spreading this foundation all over my face using this brush guys, and also it provides me a very sheer coverage, and also it is very blendable foundation. So as you can see, it is an orange undertone. So guys, personally I just love the finish of the beauty blender. I'm just spreading this foundation using this brush. Next I'm going to use a beauty blender for final finish look, and guys, as you can see how beautiful it looks, and it gives me a very natural finish guys. Next guys, for concealing my face, here I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer and this is in the shade 02. So first I'm going to highlight my inner corner and outer corner. So guys, using a light shade concealer, I'm going to highlight my face as you can see. Next I'm going to blend this concealer using the beauty blender, and as you can see how beautiful it blends. So this is my favorite concealer guys, and it is very affordable, so you can definitely try this one, and its coverage is very beautiful. For setting my base, here I'm using this Inside banana powder guys. So guys, using the same beauty blender, I'm going to set my face. First just removing the crease. So guys, for avoiding the crease, first I'm going to set the under eye and first removing the crease, and next I'm going to set my all over face using this beauty blender guys, and I'm just pressing the powder into my skin so my makeup become sweat proof and more long lasting. Next guys, I'm dusting off the excess powder using this fluffy brush. So guys, for the lower lash line, I'm going to pick this shade and apply in my lower lash line. So guys, for Kajal, here I'm using this Swiss Beauty Kohl Kajal guys.
So guys, I'm just smudging this kajal little bit.
So guys, for the liner, here I'm using Swiss Beauty eyeliner guys, and I'm just applying this. The mascara, here I'm using this mascara guys. This is the Maybelline Calosil mascara. Next guys, for contouring my face, here I'm using this Sugar Mini Bronzer Kit guys. So guys, for contouring, first I'm placing the color where I want to contour my face, like cheekbone, jawline and the forehead. Next guys, I'm going to blend this using the same brush and with the light hand. Using the same brush, I'm going to contour my nose. Next for the blush, here I'm using this Stay Quirky blush guys. This is in the shade Peach Lady and this is very shimmery blusher guys. See, this is very beautiful, at the same time very pigmented. So I'm just take it little bit and just dabbing with the light hand. See guys how pigmented it is. So guys, lastly for highlighting my face, here I'm using my all-time favorite highlighter guys. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And see how beautiful it is. And guys, for the lipstick, here I'm using this Nika K lipstick in the shade Turkish Rose. So guys, for setting my makeup, here I'm using Blue Heaven Makeup Fixer. Guys, wearing this beautiful necklace with this dress. And this beautiful earrings guys. See? So guys, here is my final look. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please subscribe to my channel guys. Take care guys. Bye bye.